Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Sony XM5 is ready and Windows 11 can see it. Charge the earbuds to a reliable level, then power them on. Once done, press and hold the NC/ambient button for about 7 seconds until the light flashes blue. On your PC, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and toggle Bluetooth on. You do this now because the device must actively advertise, otherwise Windows cannot find it, and you'd waste time searching inactive hardware. Once your XM5 is in pairing mode, click Add Device in Bluetooth and Devices, choose Bluetooth, and watch the list for WH1000 XM5 or a similar Sony label. Select it promptly. You'll see a pairing confirmation, accept it, then allow Windows to download and install the necessary audio drivers automatically. After pairing, go to Sound Settings and set the XM5 as both default output and default communications, device so media, and calls route correctly. This resolves most routing. Now confirm everything works. Play audio and test the mic in Sound Settings, adjusting app-specific outputs if required. Make sure to use the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone to update firmware and toggle advanced features like ANC and adaptive sound. These settings can affect performance versus raw Bluetooth. If connection fails, remove the device from Windows, turn Bluetooth off and on, or reboot your PC before attempting to pair again. This reset clears stale profiles and often fixes driver handshake issues. Try that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.